Hello YouTube. It's been a while since I made a video. You look at my background stuff, looks a little different. Well, I moved. No longer living in that cabin. I ended up moving into a 34-foot long travel trailer with two big slide outs, so it's pretty roomy in here. It's not bad. I got it all decked out and set up and put in a permanent spot here, and home is where the heart is, right? Well, I'm home now. So that's what I've been doing lately, and working all the time. Been really busy at work. So in the meanwhile, just been doing what I gotta do to survive, and I thought I'd make a YouTube video today. The last couple days, 2 days ago I put up a bird feeder. I've been here about 6 weeks and I haven't seen any bear sign or anything, so I got brave and figured I can actually put a bird feeder up here and not have to worry about the bears ripping it to shreds every day. So that's what I did. I put a bird feeder up, and the last couple of mornings I've been using these two cameras here, taking pictures of, I've been focusing on the Tufted Titmouse. So I got some good pictures I'm going to stick in this video in a couple minutes here. But the cameras I've been using is this Pentax K1 with a old Takumar 200mm f3.5 preset lens. This is the old one. I think it's probably a 1959 or 1960 lens. And I've also been using my Canon 80D with the 70-300 lens on it, which is a little bit easier to use with the autofocus on this thing. So, but I mean, I've got some pretty killer pictures with this old lens. So, I mean, I'm gonna stick these pictures in this video on the computer, and I've got them all mixed up. Some are with this camera and some are with this camera, and they're not in no particular order. So you can probably tell which camera took which picture if you look close. But there's some pretty cool Tufted Titmouse pictures. Pretty cool little bird. He's one of my favorites. I like the chickadee too, so maybe the next video I'll do a bunch of pictures of the chickadee. Anyways, I'm gonna stick these photos in this video here, and I'll be back to making some videos now that I'm all settled in here in my new tiny home. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.